Welcome to this demonstration of RefineID, an ID renaming intelligent assistant integrated directly into VS Code. We will explore the three modes of RefineID: local, cloud, and Ollama. First, mode local. We start off with configuring RefineID settings to the right mode. Local mode is the default. Then we open any Java or Python file. We will pick this Java file. RefineID automatically analyzes the opened file and extracts all identifiers. While the local model processes each one, the extension summarizes which identifiers are considered good and which may benefit from improvement. Only the problematic identifiers are marked with a RefineID icon in the gutter at their first definition. On hover, RefineID shows the top suggestion along with several actions: confirm the new name, reject it permanently, view more alternatives, or temporarily hide the suggestion from view. This is how the hide option works. Also, for instance, when selecting See More, RefineID shows up to 3 extra alternatives to help the developer choose the best fit. For this identifier, we will choose this suggestion from See More and see how it was applied. After accepting a suggestion, the user can still undo it through this action and restore the original name. Let's apply the top suggestion for these identifiers through the Confirm action and see the changes in action. At the bottom of the panel, we will find the rename history, showing every applied change as well as any undos that restored the original name. This helps the developer track and understand all modifications. Moving up in the panel, we now see the global commands designed to simplify the workflow for the developer. For example, when we reject the suggestion for these identifiers, the gutter icon and all related suggestions disappear. This indicates that the developer no longer wants recommendations for them. But if needed, the developer can restore rejected identifiers using this global command, and the suggestions return. We can also hide all suggestions and gutter icons across the workspace, or we can show them all again, using these global commands as well. Second, Mode Cloud. Through the Settings button, we can switch the mode to Cloud. Here, the user sets the API base, their API key, the exact model name, and chooses a provider. We can then test the connection to confirm everything is working. We are now creating a Python file to test the cloud mode. The panel now reflects the selected mode, and RefineID begins scanning the file, analyzing identifiers, and generating suggestions as the indicator icons appear in the gutter. The summary in the panel is updating as well in real time. We can now check the suggestions we got from the Llama model we configured. The See More alternatives are also quite rich. Let's apply a few suggestions, undo others, and watch how the history in the panel updates in real time as we make these changes. Last, mode Ollama. Now we switch to Ollama mode, set the API base, choose the pulled model, test the connection, and open a Python file. The mode changes in the panel to Ollama and the analysis begins. Now that all suggestions have been generated, the summary is ready. We can review the quality of the suggestions provided for the problematic identifiers, and we can experiment with the user actions, just as we did in the other modes. This concludes the demonstration of RefineID. We have shown how the tool analyzes identifiers, delivers context-aware suggestions across multiple inference modes, and supports developers in maintaining clearer and more consistent code. Thank you for your attention.